Good morning. Have you ever thought about the problem faced by people from agricultural background or people who live in rural areas with healthcare background? In healthcare, there are many problems in India, like limited medical guidance and lack of medical transportation. In agriculture, there is a major problem to know to grow which is the best crop to grow in the soil according to the environment of the state. I, Sanskar, Evyan and Vaibhav with our mentor Monica Kashyap from a school Mahasi Chunilal Saraswati Bal Mandir, Harinagar. We have made an app to solve all of these problems. AgriLife. Now I would like Evyan to take over and he will tell you more about the app.
Today I am going to explain our app AgriLife. We have built this app to solve two big problems: farmer getting wrong agriculture information and people in rural area not getting good healthcare guidance. Our idea came up from when we see farmer often struggle with old methods of agriculture and scattered information. Sometimes in healthcare there are less information. So we have made an app AgriLife. We have in our app there is an agriculture section that show soil moisture, temperature, crop by season, crop by state, and we also added agriculture helpline number. In healthcare there is a healthcare section also. We have added important helpline number. We have also added a healthcare section that have some important helpline numbers, and we have also added a GPS to find nearby hospital, and all in one platform. Our thinking is simple: to connect agriculture and healthcare in one easy platform, to make it easier, more productive, and to make people life better.
We also made sure AgriLife is simple and accessible for the people who are not well educated and don't know about the technology. We added simple logos and added multiple languages in our app so that people who don't know English and other language can easily access our app. Another important part of our design is community connection. User can share their tips and ask questions in their app so that he can collect more information for their crops. We haven't stopped yet. We are planning to add AQI feature and weather report feature and even a AI which tell you about the crop which is most suitable for your climate in our app.
We hope our idea inspired the changes where it needed the most, and it is also downloadable in Android with our website. Thank you.